अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यदिल मुरसलीन अम्मा बादु फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या सय्यदी या रसूलल्लाह व अला आलिका व अस्हाबिका या सय्यदी या हबीबल्लाह। Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, first of all, on the left side there is subscribe button. Please click it and also click the bell icon and select the first option so that you can get the notification of every new video. Jazakallahu khaira. इस दुआ के साथ आज के लेक्चर का आगाज़ करते हैं। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, ए हमारे रब हमारे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा, आमीन सुम्मा आमीन। Dear student, at the end of the lecture you are able to know about printer, difference between impact and non-impact printer, different characteristics of printer, speed, capacity of printer. These all topics we will discuss in this lecture. Dear student, please take your pencil and notebook. Today's first topic is printer. Dear student, जैसा कि प्रिंटर के नाम से ही जाहिर है, ये डिवाइस प्रिंटिंग पर्पस के लिए यूज़ की जाती है। This device is used for printing purpose. So we read its definition. Printer is an output device that is used to print character, symbol or picture on paper. Dear student, what is meant by output device? Output device means a device that is used to produce result in the form of hard copy or soft copy. I repeat it again, a device that is used to produce result in the form of hard copy or soft copy is called output device. So printer is also output device because it produces result in the form of hard copy. I repeat the definition of printer, that is, printer is an output device that is used to print character, symbol or picture on paper. Is it clear, dear student? MashaAllah. Speed of printer. Dear student, this is the most important feature of the printer. The speed of the printer is measured in three different categories. That are, first one is CPS, character per second. Next one, LPM, line per minute. And the last one is PPM, page per minute. Dear students, these are the three categories that are used to measure the speed of the printer. And the one most important thing, that is, the cost of printer depend upon the speed of the printing. As I already discussed, that the speed of the printer is most important feature. I repeat this topic. The speed of the printer is measured in three different categories. First one is CPS, character per second. Next one is LPM, line per minute. And the last one is PPM, page per minute. The cost depend upon the speed of printing. Okay, dear student, understand? Good. Next, type of printer. Dear student, printer have two main types, that are impact printer and non-impact printer. They are further divided into three types. Impact printer have three types, that are dot matrix printer, line printer and daisy wheel printer. Same as it is, non-impact printer have three types. These are laser printer, inkjet printer and the last one is thermal printer. I repeat it again. Printer have two main types, impact printer and non-impact printer. They are further divided into three types. Impact printer have three types. These are dot matrix printer, line printer and daisy wheel printer. The type of non-impact printer are laser printer, inkjet printer and the thermal printer. I hope you understand it. Next, the most important topic, that is difference between impact and non-impact printer. The first point of impact printer is use striking mechanism for printing. Dear student, impact printer have hammer on the top of the printer. The hammer strike on the paper when we enter any character. The hammer on the top of the paper strike the paper. जब भी हम कोई प्यारे बच्चों जब भी हम कोई करैक्टर टाइप करते हैं इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर में, तो प्रिंटर के टॉप पे एक हैमर लगा होता है, वो स्ट्राइक करता है पेपर को, जिसकी वजह से करैक्टर पेज पे प्रिंट होता है. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर इज यूज स्ट्राइकिंग मैकेनिज्म फॉर प्रिंटिंग, while non-impact printer use toner or ink for printing. Toner means black powder that is used in non-impact printer. Is it clear? Next, impact printer make noise during printing. जैसा कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया है, इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर के टॉप पे हैमर लगा होता है. वो हैमर जब हम करैक्टर टाइप करते हैं, हैमर पेपर को स्ट्राइक करता है, जिसकी वजह से नॉइज प्रोड्यूस होती है. While non-impact printer are silent printer, they do not make any noise. Is it clear? Good. Next, impact printer are slow in speed, while non-impact printer are fast in speed. Next, the printing quality of impact printer is low, while the printing quality of non-impact printer are high. Next, impact printer are cheap or inexpensive, while non-impact printer are expensive. The example of impact printer are dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer and line printer. And the example of non-impact printer are laser printer, inkjet printer and thermal printer. Dear student, These are the difference between impact and non-impact printer. I hope you understand it. Is it clear, dear student? MashaAllah. Now, dear student, we discuss the dot matrix printer, that is the type of impact printer. The first point is dot matrix printer work like a typewriter, transferring ink from a ribbon to paper with a series of matrices of tiny pin. Dear student, on the top of dot matrix printer, there is a series or matrix of tiny pin. I repeat it again. In dot matrix printer, on the top, there is a series or matrix of tiny pins, and they work like a typewriter. These pins strike the paper and form image on the paper. Second point is it contains 9, 18 or 24 row of pin. प्यारे बच्चों, जितनी ज़्यादा पिंस होंगी इस प्रिंटर पर उतना करैक्टर आपको क्लियर नज़र आएगा. मैं रिपीट करूँगा कि डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर में जितनी ज़्यादा पिंस होंगी उतनी प्रिंटिंग क्वालिटी ज़्यादा बेहतर होगी, ज़्यादा अच्छी होगी. थर्ड पॉइंट इज dot matrix printer are also called pin printer. As I already discussed that on the top of dot matrix printer there is a series of pin. That is why they are also called pin printer. And the advantages of dot matrix printer is they are inexpensive. I repeat this topic. Dot matrix printer work like a typewriter, transferring ink from a ribbon to paper with a series or matrix of tiny pin. It contains 9, 18 or 24 row of pin. Dot matrix printer are also called pin printer. The advantage of dot matrix printer is they are inexpensive. Is it clear, dear student? Now we discuss the next type of impact printer, that is daisy wheel printer. जैसा कि वर्ड से जाहिर है, daisy wheel, it means that this printer have a wheel that will rotate when we typing. Dear student, the first point of daisy wheel is the printer use a series of petals arranged on a wheel having a character at the end of each petal. Dear student, there is a wheel in daisy wheel printer and there is a series of petals on the wheel and each petal have a character. It may be a number or alphabet. I repeat it again. In this printer there is a wheel and on the wheel there is a series of petals and each petal have a character. It may be a number or character or alphabet. It may be a number or alphabet. Next point, a petal come into print position by rotation of wheel. यार बच्चों, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमने बी प्रिंट करना है तो जिस पेटल पे बी होगा वो पेटल प्रिंटिंग पोजीशन में आ जाएगा। फॉर एग्जांपल हमने प्रिंट करना है PEN पेन। अब फर्स्ट लेटर क्या है P। अब जिस पेटल पे P होगा वो पेटल प्रिंटिंग पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा और वो प्रिंट हो जाएगा। फिर नेक्स्ट लेटर क्या है E। इस पेटल पे E होगा वो पेटल प्रिंटिंग पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा। फिर सेम एज इट इज नेक्स्ट लेटर इज N। A petal with character N will come into the printing position and print N. Is it clear, dear student? A petal come into printing position by rotation of wheel. A wheel will rotate and the petal with the character come into the printing position that we want to print. Next, it is slower than dot matrix printer. The speed of daisy wheel printer is slower than dot matrix printer. I repeat it again. The printer uses a series of petals arranged on a wheel having a character at the end of each petal. A petal comes into print position by rotation of wheel. It is slower than dot matrix printer. Understand, dear student? MashaAllah. Next type of impact printer is line printer. प्यारे बच्चों, प्रिंटर के नाम से ही जाहिर है लाइन प्रिंटर, यानी ये लाइन वाइज प्रिंट करता जाएगा। इट प्रिंट अ लाइन एट अ टाइम। इट प्रिंट 3000 लाइन पर मिनट, यानी एक मिनट में 3000 लाइन प्रिंट करेगा। There are two types of line printer. These are change printer and band printer. The advantages is very fast in speed up to 3000 LPM line per minute. I repeat it again. It print a line at a time. It print 3000 line per minute. There are two types of line printer. These are change printer and band printer. The advantages of line printer is very fast in speed. It can print up to 3000 lines per minute. Is it clear, dear student? Next, now we discuss the type of non-impact printer. The first one is laser printer. It uses the same technology as photocopier, using heat to transfer toner on the paper. Dear student, in the stationery shop or photocopy shop, you have seen the photocopier machine. The laser print same work as photocopier machine. Laser printer or page printer. They print page at a time. That is why laser printer are called page printer. The advantages of laser printer is very fast in speed. I repeat it again. It uses the same technology as a photocopier, using heat to transfer toner onto the paper. Laser printer are also called page printer. The advantages of laser printer is that they are very fast in speed. Is it clear, dear student? Very good. Next type of non-impact printer is thermal printer. It uses heat on chemically treated waxy paper to form character. Dear student, In thermal printer, a special type of paper is used for printing. That is called waxy paper. I repeat it again. In thermal printer, a special type of paper is used for printing. That is called waxy paper. Fax machine that use roll of paper are of this type. Fax machine are also work same as thermal printer. Next point, the image is created on paper by burning dot on it. The advantages of thermal printer is best printing quality. The printing quality of thermal printer is very high. I repeat this topic. It uses heat on chemically treated waxy paper to form character. In thermal printer, a special type of paper is used that is called waxy paper. Fax machine that use roll of paper are of this type. The image is created on paper by burning dot on it. The advantage of thermal printer is best printing quality. Understand, dear student? Very good. So, dear student, now we review of this lecture. Dear student, in this lecture we study about printer, difference between impact and non-impact printer, and different type of printer, and also in this lecture we discuss about working mechanism of printer. I hope that all these topics you have understand. Dear student, there is a short activity for you. Match the column. There are different picture of printer. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आपने पिक्चर को देखते हुए उस प्रिंटर के नाम के साथ आपने डायग्राम को मैच करना है. बहुत ही इजी एक्टिविटी है. अगर आपको कोई कन्फ्यूजन हो तो लेक्चर में टॉपिक के साथ डायग्राम मैंने बनाई हुई है, गिवन है वहाँ पे टॉपिक के साथ, तो वहाँ से भी आप हेल्प ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, बहुत ही इजी एक्टिविटी है. आई होप दैट यू कैन सॉल्व इट easily. Dear student, there is a home assessment for you. The first question is define output device. Second question is on which factor cost of printer depend. Third one is how many type of impact printer are there? Name them. And the last one is what type of printer do you have in your school? जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरा. डियर स्टूडेंट, उम्मीद करता हूँ आज का लेक्चर आपको समझ आ गया होगा. तो प्यारे बच्चों, इसको आपने दोहराना है, दोहराई करनी है इसकी, ताकि जो कमी बेशी रह गई है वो दोहराई करने से क्लियर हो जाए. बहुत ही आसान टॉपिक था आज का. हमने प्रिंटर और उनकी टाइप्स के बारे में पढ़ा था. तो प्यारे बच्चों, इस दुआ के साथ आज के लेक्चर का इख्तिताम करते हैं कि अल्लाह ताला हम सब को नेकी के काम करने की और बुराइयों से बचने की तौफीक अता फरमाए. आमीन सुमा आमीन. इसी के साथ प्यारे बच्चों मैं इजाज़त चाहूँगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू.